what's up? It's me Lameya from Lameya Pathshala and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another new video. So today, basically in this video, we are gonna learn about the use of have to. In my previous video, I have just told you about the have to, and now in this video, I'm going to tell you about the use of have to. And we are really confused how to use them. But now, in this video, I'm going to clear out your doubt. So now, let's see that how can we use them. So let's get into the video. So now let's see that how can we use the have to. So first of all, we have to remember some things. That is, have to is basically used for only past tense. We know past tense means whenever something in the past happens, so that is basically used in the past tense. And as a subject, we can use every kind of person, first person, second person, or third person. That means I, we, you, they, she, he, it, or any kinds of names, anything names, like anything can be used here. And let's see that why we basically use this have to. Whenever, in this case of obligation, or whenever we want to do any kinds of comment to anyone, then we have to tell it had to. We have to use the phrase had to for any kinds of obligation or for any kinds of comments. So now let's see some examples of that one so that we can just use them to make our sentences. Now, first of all, we are going to see about the structure. The structure is going to be so this is the main thing, that is the main structure of this phrase. First of all, this is going to be the subject. I have told you anything can be subject here, then the phrase had to, which is the main thing, then the verb base form, that means the normal verb, okay? And after that, the extra part of the sentence, that is extension. Now, she had to go to hospital. That means তাকে hospital-এ যেতে হয়েছিল. Okay, so you see this here, this had is basically the past form's verb. So that's why here it does mean the past tense. First of all, let's see the structure. That is, this one is the subject. Then there is the main phrase, which is have to. And after that, the base form of verb, that means the normal verb, go. And here, the extra part of the sentence is extension, okay? So you see, these are basically followed by the structure. Now let's see another example. He had to study a lot. That means তাকে অনেক পড়তে হয়েছিল. So that does mean that this is also in the past tense. As well as here, this is followed by the structure, which is subject, then had to, after that the base form of verb, and that extension. Now, if I write here that I had to make this dress. That means আমাকে ড্রেসটা বানাতে হয়েছিল. So it does mean it is in the past tense, as well as here you see there one kind of obligation is just working. That means আমাকে এই ড্রেসটা বানাতে হয়েছিল. So here I must have to make that dress. Okay? Now let's see more example. That means they have to go in the picnic. So that means তাদেরকে পিকনিকে যেতে হয়েছিল. It is one kind of past form. Okay. So here you see the subject they, the phrase had to, after that this base form, after that the extension, which is really big. So you see here that there is the comment. Again see, you had to eat the dinner. That means তোমাকে dinner খেতে হয়েছিল. So here you see that it is one kind of past tense. Okay? This is the past tense as well as he or she. That means you. Okay? Like he or she, it can be anyone. তোমাকে. Okay? So here you see that if I tell you had to eat the dinner, it does mean তোমাকে dinner খেতে হয়েছিল. So here the obligation is working. Here the comment is working. That means he or she must have to eat the dinner. Okay? So you see that suppose something that way, we can make a lot of sentences by using the phrase had to, and I think this video would be really useful for you. So yes, if you like this video, then smash the like button as well as subscribe my channel, Lamey's English Pathshala, and stay tuned with my YouTube channel to get more educational videos. So I think I will just meet you in the next video. So see you soon. Bye friends.